So we've been having some issues around the house with mice lately. So I went out and bought this 2-pack of TOMCAT mouse traps, and they're not humane mouse traps. They will kill the mice when they are trapped, and I'm going to set them up right now. So I just took one out of the box here, and it's pretty straightforward. All you're doing is you're pressing down on the back side, and you're gonna set some bait inside, and as soon as the mouse goes in, it will get trapped. So let's go set it up. So I just set a couple of the TOMCAT heavy-duty mouse traps, and what I like to use is a little bit of peanut butter and a little bit of bread, and just put some peanut butter on the bread and put it right in the middle. So here's the TOMCAT heavy-duty mouse trap set right next to our house. There's one here and one right over here with the peanut butter and the bread, and let's see if we catch anything. So I decided to reset these two TOMCAT heavy-duty mouse traps with just peanut butter, because I think what was happening is I had a piece of bread with peanut butter, and I think some other animal like a bird must have come by and just pulled it right out, because both of these were missing the bread and they weren't triggered. And so let's see whether this will end up catching a mouse. So I'm walking out to check the traps, and the first one I come to is the TOMCAT, and that's a dead mouse right there. So I'm checking the other TOMCAT, and we get another mouse. So both the TOMCATs caught a mouse, and all I did bait them with this time was peanut butter.